What is nitric oxide? Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that's produced in the lining of the blood vessels and by your cells. Its job is to dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow, bringing oxygen, hydration, and nutrients to every cell in the body. Meaning, nitric oxide is essential for life. Research shows narrowing of the arteries occurs as the natural nitric oxide production declines by 10 to 12% per decade, beginning in our early 20s. This decrease in natural nitric oxide output leaves our skin susceptible to deterioration, blemishes, and other skin conditions. In fact, a primary reason why we age is due to the decline of nitric oxide production. Here's what's revolutionary. Even though your body slows nitric oxide production, it will never stop responding to it when it is effectively applied to the body. And that's exactly what PrimeMyBody has done with full-spectrum hemp Nox, an innovative nitric oxide and full-spectrum hemp skincare serum. Welcome to PrimeMyBody, your ultimate fountain of youth.